Welcome to Android Video Lesson Shorts Edition. My name is Sebastian Colbert, and in this lesson we'll learn about adapters. What are adapters? In short, adapters help us display data on the screen. Here is the basic flow. We'll need to start with some data. Data can come from sources such as database query, via cursor, or from a simple array. The adapter object will then provide access to the data items and will also be responsible for converting each item in the dataset to a view. The adapter view, which can be a list view or a grid view, then displays the created views in the form that it supports. To summarize, the adapter acts as a bridge or common interface between an adapter view and the underlying data for that view. If you examine the API, you realize there are quite a few adapter interfaces, abstract classes and implementing classes. It is easy to get confused which one to use when. We'll try to sort them out. Adapter is actually an interface, and all adapters eventually implement it. There are two sub-interfaces of adapter, list adapter and spinner adapter. These adapter interfaces define the adapter for list view and grid views plus spinner views. Probably the most confusing part is that the base adapter is an abstract class that implements all three interfaces. This is actually a great convenience for developers, and we'll see that later. The array adapter tries to make the base adapter even simpler. By default, the array adapter's dataset is always an array or array list of objects. Simple adapter's dataset is an array list of maps. The cursor adapter and its subclass, the simple cursor adapter, utilizes an Android cursor, often from a SQLite database or content provider, to provide the dataset for the adapter. They provide a way for adapter views to scroll through a possibly dynamic dataset. Finally, the wrapped list adapter, which wraps another list adapter, and its implementer header view list adapter, is used when a list view has header views. Adapter interface has 10 methods that must be implemented. To make it easier to use it, base adapter is provided. Now, instead of creating a class that implements adapter, list adapter, or spinner adapter interfaces, you can simply extend base adapter and implement the specific methods for either a list view or spinner. What's more, the base adapter already provides common implementations for many of the interfaces. A great time saver. But 4 methods still need to be implemented. They are: getCount tells Android how many items to show in the adapter view. getItem gets the data item associated with the item. getItemID returns the dataset's ID for an item. And getView creates the view that displays the data for the specified item position in the adapter view. That is all for this lesson. Visit androidvideolessons.com/shorts to get access to source code for this and other lessons. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I wish you happy coding.